Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can replicate our S3 objects in cross region using AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in S3 dashboard. To achieve this replication task, we need two buckets in different regions. So first of all, create two buckets. For this, click on create bucket, give any meaningful name. First bucket would be our source bucket, so I give the name source. For first bucket, default region is good. Scroll down to the bucket versioning, enable bucket versioning. Scroll down to the bottom and click on create bucket. As you can see, our source bucket is created successfully. Now we need to create another bucket with the name of destination. For this, click on create bucket. In bucket name, provide the name. After providing name, choose a different region for this bucket. Click on AWS regions. For example, I am choosing Singapore region. Scroll down to bucket versioning, enable bucket versioning. Scroll down to the bottom and click on create bucket. As you can see, our both buckets are created successfully. Now open source bucket. Click on source. Here we need to do cross region replication. For this, click on management. Scroll down to replication rules. We need to create a replication rule for this bucket. Click on create replication rule. Give any name. Now scroll down to the source bucket. Choose apply to all objects in the bucket. Now scroll down to the destination. We need to choose our destination bucket for this. Click on browse S3. Here choose our destination bucket and click on choose path. Now scroll down to IAM role. Here we need to create a new role. For this, click on IAM role and choose create new role. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on save. As you can see, our replication configuration updated successfully. Now come back to S3 console. Here open destination bucket in new tab and also open source bucket. As you can see, in our source bucket we have no object. If we go to destination bucket, here you can see also we have no object. Now come back to source bucket and upload some objects by clicking upload. Now click on add files. I am adding these both files. Select files and click on open. Now scroll down and click on upload. As you can see, our files are uploaded successfully. Now close. Here you can see we have two different objects in our source bucket. Now if I go to destination bucket and click on refresh, here you can see we also have two objects here. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.